This is off our newest record called Soft Time Traveler.
You can buy it right there in the hallway after the show.
Ooh, you can. You can buy it on vinyl, and the vinyl comes with downloads. So you can just put it out and be all like, hey, I'm really cool. I have a vinyl in the other room person that I want to have sex with. And it works. What the hell is next?
We
All
have to
right.
get laid.
This song we wrote for Tim Burton on his birthday. He had us come out to the house and play it for him. Don't go to bed, don't fall asleep, don't go to bed. In your head, in your head, in your head. Don't fall asleep, don't go to bed, don't fall asleep, don't go to bed. You were bad in the shoe, you were bad. You will survive, you will survive, you will survive. You will survive, you will survive. My soul. Thank you very much.